Umbathathe lelithuba abonge on behalf of referees for the communication budget laseka sethulele yona president. Silibandla ke labo Rafela le communication president ifike ngesikhathi lapho khona vele bese idzingeka ikakhulu kati ekusiteni le communication kubo Rafela. Siyathembisa president ukuthi sibo Rafela sitayiphatha kahle communication futhi siyakholelwa ukuthi itasita si-improve awenje president kude longahamba emgwaqeni bamvimba bo Rafela so sesiyathemba ukuthi this initiative yale communication nayo khona inzima letayidlala libandla ke president le referees committee litsalibike lokuthi maningi ama initiatives president to give you comfort leselwa employee to make sure ukuthi lelizinga lekurafela at elite la improve lokufaka ekhathi icapacitation president yabo labo Rafela kuleliviki nje sidabe sine training lapho sidabe sibuka bo handball nalokwa lokufaka ekhathi president nekwa reviewer labo Rafela sibuka ukuthi basebenze njani akusho nje ukuthi bo Rafela bakho ngathela wayeka ibandla liyanika isikhathi review ekusebenta kwabo libabite libacapacitate obviously ke president ne discipline ikhona ngoba na uhamba lamgwaqweni bona labo Rafela bendwane ngeke bo Rafela president babulawe but will capacitate them when need be with discipline as well. Kubonga nje president kakhulu kwanze nalapho efathathe khona siyabonga.